Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Rosa. I like everything homemaking, decorating. I love making food, and I love making these cute little crafts as well. Today I am making DIY Easter gift baskets for my niece and my nephew, and I decided to film so I could give you guys an idea too. I usually make them Easter gift baskets every year, which is usually based on chocolates and maybe a toy or two. This year, it's more chocolates than anything else. As you can see, I'm showing you all the chocolates that I bought. And these are the chocolates that I can get here in Portugal. As you can see, the first chocolates that I showed you were by Regina, which is a Portuguese chocolate brand, and the other ones are practically all off-brand. Those umbrella chocolates, they're also by Regina, and then you can see some eggs there that are Smarties. And here are the toys that I decided for this year. Well, the bubbles are, I guess, kind of a toy. And then those ice cream bowls is not really a toy, but I thought it was really cute. And since we're in spring and summer's almost here, I decided to get them that. Since the baskets are also not that big, I didn't have much to work with. So I'm just showing you the chocolates that I got. There's a variety of eggs and bunnies, and here are little chicks. I think everything was so cute. Now here in Portugal, we don't have Peeps. We don't have those Cadbury Easter eggs. What would you call them? I'll let the name on the screen. I can't remember the name right now. But we do have normal chocolate bunnies and chocolate eggs. So that's what I usually get for them. I also sometimes get like a brand of the Easter egg surprises. So we have Kinder here, and then we have Paw Patrol themed ones, we have Mario themed ones. I've done that in the past, but I haven't seen a lot of those this year. But that's okay because not every year needs to be the same. You need to add variety. Now these umbrellas are here year-round, and it's not Easter themed, but they really like those umbrellas, so I got them one each. They usually ask for those umbrellas every time they go to a store. So I said, why not? I've seen the Easter themed umbrellas, but they're not the same brand of chocolate, so I just wanted to get them something they're also familiar with, so that, you know, a child's happiness comes to when they get something that they really like. And I mean, like, what child doesn't like chocolate? Now you're going to see Princesa in the shots. Of course, I can't do anything without her helping me, or exactly the opposite. She usually wants to be a part of everything. Anyways, next I'm going to be showing you the toys. So here are the ice cream bucket things that I showed you, the bowls. They're pretty cute. They came in a pack of 2, so I decided to give one each, and then I paired them with the bubbles because it's springtime and kids go crazy for bubbles. Their mom will probably kill me for giving them bubbles because, you know, kids don't understand that you can't play with bubbles inside. And then they get all dirty, and then they dump out the water. And yeah, it's a whole fiasco when it comes to bubbles. But I think that's part of letting a kid be a kid. Let them play with the bubbles. Let them get dirty. In a few years, they won't care about it. So I think we should concentrate in letting kids being kids while they are kids. Because we're adults, and now we think, I miss being a kid. And the simplest things like bubbles will make a kid very happy. So that's one of the things I think I always include in the Easter baskets, just because the weather is getting warmer, it's springtime, so now they can start playing with these types of things. You can see me start assembling the baskets here, and there's really no rules to this. You just lay them in as they fall together, and sometimes you have to switch things up until it works. That's usually how things go. When you're decorating, when you're creating things, it never stays the first way that you put it. That's something that always happens to me. I usually always have to take everything out at least once just to get it the way that I think it looks better. And now I'm just putting some raffia on top just because to make it a little cute and Easter themed, make it a little bit more fun. Okay, so now this type is optional, but I think it makes it look a lot prettier when you put a plastic wrap over top of it, and it's also easier for transporting. So I just grabbed the plastic bag. I usually keep these plastic bags whenever I buy something that has something in it, just for these certain types of things, because I like to make gift baskets for them when it comes to the holidays. And what I'm doing is I'm just tying a ribbon around them just to make it a little cute. If you want, you can put the child's name on a piece of paper and tie it on the ribbon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not much to it. You just gotta use your creativity. It's very simple, very affordable, and it's a different idea. So we're at the end of the video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Comment in the comments below what you are giving to any child in your life this year, or what you would do different for these Easter baskets, and subscribe if you want to so you don't miss future content, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.